Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kumar and you're officially welcome in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this another video lecture, today I am going to describe the very famous essay, a bookish topic. And before starting the essay, I will describe the brief introduction of the essayist who is R.K. Narayan. So just have a look on the brief introduction of R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, the full name of R.K. Narayan is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. Was born on October 10, 1906 at Madras, in present Chennai, and in that time Madras Presidency, British India. He was one of the 8 children, 6 sons and 2 daughters. Narayan was second among the sons. His younger brother Ramchandran later became an editor of Gemini Studios, and the youngest brother Lakshman became a cartoonist. His father was a school headmaster. Narayan spent a part of his childhood under the care of his maternal grandmother named Parvati. His grandmother gave him the nickname of Kunjappa. She taught him arithmetic, mythology, and classical Indian music and Sanskrit. He was an Indian writer known for his works set in fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He was a leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao, and he has won several high awards in his lifetime. Some Narayan won several awards during the course of his literary career. His first major awards was the Sahitya Academy Award, which was in 1958 for The Guide. When the book was made into a film, he received the Filmfare Award for the Best Story. In 1964, he received Padma Bhushan during the Republic Day honors. In 1980, he was awarded the A.C. Benson Medal by the British Royal Society of Literature, of which he was an honorary member. In 1982, he was elected an honorary member of the American Academy of Arts and Letters. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature multiple times but never won the Nobel Prize. A year before his death in 2001, he was awarded India's second highest civilian honor, the Padma Vibhushan, and he has wrote several collection of works. Some of important works are The Swami and Friends, which was written in 1935, The Bachelor of Art, written in 1937, The English Teacher, written in 1945, The Guide, written in the 1958. And he has written mythology also, the Ramayana in 1972, the Mahabharata in 1978, and he has also written some story collection also. And the first one is Malgudi Days, written in 1942, and Astrologer's Day and Other Stories, written in 1956, Under the Banyan Tree and Other Stories, written in 1985, and in the last, he died on May 13, 2001, aged 94 at Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. So, guys, it was the brief introduction of the essayist R.K. Narayan.